Lane 1, Charlize Escasa. Lane 2, American Gold. Lane 3, Matthew Reed. Lane 4, Devin Garner. Lane 5, Aubrey Cohen. Lane 6, Claudia Leonardich. Lane 7, Taylor Nagel. Lane 8, Mackenzie Paget. Lane 9, Giovanna Malachi. Lane 10, Juliette Tracy. Lane 6. Moving up in lane 4 now, Belleville from Ohio State. Danica Varda, the Buckeyes at the wall. She'll catch 101.